What's up, guys? How you doing? Nice bed here. Got very good storage space and everything. Yeah, we have a trailer that is waiting for us in Älvsjö. It's 20 o'clock and this is how I spend my Friday night. But yeah, next week I got daytime shift, so that will be interesting to see. Alright, let's get going here. Yeah. Man, these seats are massive. Put on the cozy lights. Roof is open, so I'm gonna close that up soon. And also there's something wrong with the window. It's not fully tight, so you will probably hear when I'm going on in like above 70 kilometers an hour, you will hear some wind noise. Turning off the dead angle warning and lane warning, and like those, and hill climb holders on. Let's go. I'm gonna relieve the pressure a bit on the bogie because we don't have too much load. I was hoping I should have waited for him because I'm gonna turn around here. Oh, she's going that way, right. Check now how much load we have. Just gonna reset the fuel consumption first. Okay. What's going on? Oh, wrong button. Reset, yes. Load. Let's see. So this truck is tall, man. 4.5 meters high. Our total weight is only 18 tons or 17. So it's bad. It doesn't show how much load you have, it only shows the total weight. So I guess we have maybe 8 tons of load or something. But yeah, I like to keep the bogie down sometimes because it's so much smoother to drive than less bouncier, more stable. For today I'm just doing this live stream. I don't like to record going the same destinations. I like to mix it up, you know. Oh wait, I'm taking the wrong way. I'm so smart. But we can take this way as well. I was gonna take the Bromma road, but for some reason I'm driving here. I don't know why. I don't want to take a right there. I think it's weight limitation there, unless you have a delivery there. And this truck is pretty darn heavy, so. Oh, but I think yeah. Oh yeah, we're 1 ton too much. ja. Oj, Svea rike kollar också. Vilken överraskning. Wait, where am I going now? Oh man, I'm tired today. I need to take up the GPS. But it says the motorway is this way, so... Oh, we almost hit that motorcycle. Man, I'm going the complete wrong way. It says we should take a right here. That would be faster, but yeah, let's just go straight and we'll end up in the motorway. That's the most safe way when you're driving such a big truck. I don't know if there's any bridges there or stuff. Camera's a bit to the side. I'll fix that. Oh, she drove forwards a bit, scared the crap out of me. Ah, there you go. I think that's better. We're gonna pick up the trailer. We're going to have a like a 20 or 15 minute drive here, and then connect and pick up the trailer. And feel free to send like any super chat if you have like a question you really want me to answer, because it's very hard to read all your comments. Oh, look at all that people there. So many people at the same place. You don't see that every day now. Only at bus stops. There's the police coming. Without any siren on, only the lights. That was not me farting, that was the seat. The seat farted. This is the help brake. So I'm not pushing the brake pedal at all now. And now I put it into manual. So you can even engine brake to a standstill. I haven't touched the brake pedal yet. Now I'm gonna have to touch it. There you go. So it doesn't work in low speeds, you have to put the gear lever down here to manual, then it starts braking. Yeah, so this is a 2020 year model on this truck. And it feels like they fixed some things. Like it seems nicer on the eco driving and the gear shifts. And the help braking as well seems a bit smoother. You also have a button here, by the way, if you want it to engine brake even more. Now we're gonna have to cut the roof, I think. There, it's closed now. There's another police. What happened? Did the thief not cooperate? As I said in the beginning of the video, there was a thief which the police catched. Oh, there's a unmarked police car as well. And I don't know if you hear it, but the wind noise is still there. That came up faster than I thought. I thought I was gonna wait and let this guy pass first, but then I ran out of road. Okay, lucky I have the emergency brake activated then. They're looking for me. I'm the biggest criminal in Stockholm, speeding all the time. Man, I'm coughing. I need to eat food. I haven't had any real food today. I only like eating fruits and I don't like it. I don't know. Screw that shit. I'm gonna go back to eating meat. Or I am eating meat, but not as much as I used to. Fruit can be nice, but I think I'm eating a bit too much. Yeah, I feel weird on that. But for breakfast today I had pancakes with maple syrup and strawberries and banana. 2 of them. And then after that, or I had the orange as well, and then after that I had my bacon and eggs because I really wanted something good, and boy, that was nice to have that. Such a long time I had that, so yeah. But if I have it too many meat products, I feel bad, man, that noise is annoying, man. Rather just have the window open. It's such an annoying noise. Oh yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna stop drinking coffee. I feel like I'm getting more tired drinking coffee than not drinking coffee. I know quite a lot of truckers who just came here to work. They don't even speak Swedish, and they work at these same companies that I work, get the same amount of pay. But most of them doesn't really do a good job at all. And I know one guy who doesn't even barely speaks English. So no Swedish and no English. What the hell? How can they let him drive or work? I don't know. So I'm gonna drive to Älvsjö. What road to take? I'm gonna take the Huddinge road, I think. First into, or maybe not into Southern Link Tunnel. No, yeah, we're gonna turn off before the Southern Link Tunnel. Yeah. Oh, sushi. Man måste hejda sig. Sushi. Vilken låt alltså. Oh, look at all these policemen, what's going on? Måste hejda sig. Säga hej. really gotta watch out in Sweden here. So many beautiful girls. Yes, bro, I am ethnically Swedish, but I am half Finnish as well, and probably have some Russian genes, I guess. I haven't done any like DNA tests. I don't want to do that either, because I don't want my DNA on the internet like that. That feels weird. I've also read, like, not that I'm a criminal, but I read that police have used the DNA before from these sites, or this ancestry DNA, to catch a criminal. So yeah, it's pretty weird. Doesn't feel right to have like that. Denmark, yeah, Denmark is the best. You can just go there to, what is this place called? Chris, something like that. And just light up a big spliff. I guess, I don't know if that's still, is that still legal, or I don't know, I don't even think it was legal before, was it? But like, the police doesn't care, I think. But I'm not into that shit, man. You just get fry up your brain with drugs, man. I don't even drink alcohol, or sometimes, but barely. Yeah, Russia is pretty nice. Never been there though, but I heard they have like the best sushi in the world. You wouldn't think that about Russia. So here is our exit. Still got some water puddles remaining from all the rain. Crazy, man. But I don't have Instagram anymore. I got sick of it. It's too addicting, so I just shut it off, or shut my account down and removed the application. So that's why I don't have my Instagram anymore, if you guys were wondering. I don't like to be on my phone so much, so it's nice to not have that addicting feel, and now I just, there's like no way I could check out the Instagram. Anyways, you're gonna have to put the camera away here, sorry guys. The pin is in. and it's connected. Just gonna close up the doors as well. I'm back. I am Mr. Beck. Let's get the heck out of here. You wanna go? Okay, he's just gonna stand there. There's a guy who's stuck on his phone. Oof. Man, the trailer tires went on the curb right beside him. Like, what if it popped right in front of him? He would be dead, man. Because it's like a hand grenade. Come on, car, drive. Okay, thank you. Not gonna try. Is that police? No. They are practicing driving, I guess. That nice. Okay, we're back to business. What a beautiful evening, a Friday evening. So time to have like a 25-minute drive back now. Oh, that sound so strong. Oh, you want me to have the head on the forehead? My camera on the forehead. Oh, I could have done that, but now it's too late. Maybe if the light turns red. So I have the head mount right here. There, it's red now. But, and take off the charging cable. That's how my window mount looks like. How does this look like now? It's too much up. Okay, I'm gonna have to try and film now with my head. When doing these POV videos, you really gotta be careful with how you turn your head and like try and be cinematic. Solen går ner, ja, det var lite passande. And the navigation is still on. I like when you can see the shadow of the truck here. That looks epic. Looks like I'm driving a train. The skate park is full of guys. Guys and gals. Man, so little traffic, how nice. There is a cancer tower, 5G tower. I better wear my tinfoil hat. This is actually a GoPro Hero 8. But I don't have the image stabilization boost on, but it's still a lot better regular image stabilization as well compared to the Hero 7 that I had before. I know, but this boost mode, it crops the image too much, I think, so it's not so good. But I did a few videos. The Scania G490 video that I recorded in Eskilstuna, that one is recorded with the boost mode on, so it's like super stable with head mount. So if you want to see how stable it is, you can just search Scania G490 or look for that in the recent videos. Yeah, I don't know about that, any communication. I'm not so into tech and computers anymore. So yeah, you can just type a comment if you wanna tell me something, or maybe send me a Facebook message on my Facebook page, the Broberga Driving Bro. I think it's called Broberga, the Facebook page. It's a link in the description. There you can send a message if you want to send a private message. But I don't read that so often, but I will look. If you want, I can look now or later. Here is the choo-choo train. Choo-choo. I prefer driving with just a truck, actually, without any trailer. Look at these guys. That looks nice. I actually done that exact same as they are driving electric scooter at this this exact same way as well. You have a very beautiful nature reserve over here, and I played tennis over there. Come on, kick down. I'm doing kick down. I'm pushing it. You have like this extra, but it's not working. Huh, strange. It should shift down the gear. The kick down is broken on this truck, and it's brand new. It seems like they don't test the trucks properly, like the wind noise there and kick down not working. What the hell? Volvo. 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 Kurva. I'm sorry for my gibberish talking. Sometimes when I'm bored, words just fly out of my mouth. I love ETS2. It's pretty real, yeah, but I think the braking is too hard, and it's hard to feel everything that you feel in real life, like all the G-forces and the vibrations from the steering wheel and from the truck and the sounds, you know. But it's pretty darn realistic. Hello. I was looking a lot. I was like, oh, whoa, that's a big truck and trailer. Oh my gosh. It was funny when I drove the electric truck yesterday. I got some pretty weird looks, because people were like, they were like looking an extra time and like, what a quiet truck. Doesn't make any noise. It's like they're looking like something's wrong. Yeah, come on. Full gas now. 8 gear. It's weird how you push full gas, but it's still shifting early. It doesn't give an F about your power demands. You'll have to put it into manual then, I guess. Oh, we have red light. Now the sun is really going down there. Man, I like this classical music from the good old days. I'm talking like I'm 50 years old there. I wish I were. I wish I lived in those days. I really like old black and white movies, or yeah, well, not black and white, but old movies, yeah. Black and white is a bit annoying to watch. Oh right, they still have this shit here. Like the last live stream. I thought by now it should have disappeared, but no. Fucking shit. And also I'm a bit late today, but it's okay. No overtime, I think. But when I was gonna deliver to the first place, back reversing in with the trailer, man, that's so hard, because all the people come with their cars and parking in the way, and ask them if they can move. They're like going in to pick something up, or I'll just have to wait for them to pick it up and load their car and then drive away. And so I did that, and then I started reversing, but holy crap, that did not end well. So I had to just drive out of there and go in again, and then I couldn't find any place to turn around, because we're fucking 24 or 25 meters long. So I had to drive like 1 or 2 kilometers to be able to turn around and come back. So that took a lot of time, and then when I came back I reversed with a different technique. I went around. Instead of going this way, I went this way, and then finally we made it into the port. So yeah. I think I'm gonna change the station now. We're losing connection. Oh, what a nice house. Cool bike. Electric bike. Oh yeah, maybe it's a 540, this thing. It feels pretty powerful. But it is FH16 because it says it on the registration. I looked up the registration plate and it said model FH16. I guess it's 540 then. It didn't say on the side. I don't know why they don't put that the horsepower badge on these new trucks. That's so weird. Oh, no Lady Gaga here, please. Oh, what a steep curve. Forgot about that. But it's okay. We don't really have any flippable goods in the back. Cruise control 80. Doing some manual shifting here. Up in 60, 10th gear. And 65. Nice old Scania coming by. Crane truck. I have a crane license. It would be fun to work as a crane truck driver sometime. And now we're up in 75 already. So yeah, I bet this is a 540 actually. Time to lean back the seat, put down the armrests and relax. I'm gonna push down the seat as well to the max. We'll see how low down it goes. Okay, this is max. Man, I like Scania way more. But these trucks are nice too. I don't like, however, it's hard to read. It's hard to read the rev gauge down there. You have to have the steering wheel pretty low to read it. Yeah, you know Lady Gaga, she's my best friend. We hang out all the time. I wish. Ja, alla tycker vi är olika. Jag gillar ju Scania mer än Volvo. Tycker de är mer komfortabla alla dagar i veckan. men det är kul med Volvo också några dagar i veckan. Byter ju hela tiden mellan de här två, så det är bara kul med lite variation, antar jag. Yeah, no, Scania is my favorite, but I think actually the old generation is still my favorite. Kind of like that more actually than the new generation Scania. But I like some things are nicer with the new gen Scania, like the braking, help brake lever, it's more smooth. But I can't really say that I like the flat bottom steering wheel. But I have seen new or next generation, you should say, Scania with a round steering wheel actually. So I guess you can order it with the round steering wheel, and I wish everybody would do that instead, because the flat bottom is just retarded. Sure, it looks nice and feels like you're driving a race car, but you're not, you're driving a truck, so should feel like a truck. It's a bit awkward when you're turning and the steering wheel is not round, so now I'm gonna shut off this stream here in just about 2 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. It was nice to have you tagging along on my trip. I like more to do talking videos when I'm live streaming. I don't want to do those vlog videos anymore because it feels so weird talking to nobody. It's so hard to know what to say. But now when I'm live streaming, I can read your comments a bit, and you give me ideas, and it feels like I'm actually talking to somebody rather than not talking to anybody. So that's why I'm doing just talking on these live streams. And also I don't like to have like my voice up so people can listen to me over and over again. That feels awkward. Oh, nice song. What a nice song to end the video with. And with the beautiful sunset here, always with the sunset going here, I love it. Oh no. No, I wanted to hear that song. Oh, can't have it all. Oh, you can't see the sunset. It's behind the trees. That's still pretty nice. I started driving trucks about 5 years ago or 6 years ago, and like 8 years ago I drove on Euro Truck Simulator. But yeah, thanks for watching, take care, have a nice weekend guys, bye bye.